Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I sat down to start working on another requested piece. All the young lady said to me is she said, Miss Darlene, I just want a big pendant, a huge pendant. And if you can, do it in like brown or cappuccino color beads or something. So I said, cool. So I sent her pictures of, the colors of the beads and stuff and the color coordination I plan to use. And she said, okay, cool. So the thing with that is, I didn't have no really big pendant. So I had to sit there for a minute and think, okay, now what am I going to do? How am I going to do this? And remember earlier in the other video, I was saying that I went online to search for big pendants, but I really didn't find anything I wanted to buy or, like really pay the price for. So I said, okay, well, let me try something. So I tried this. I love the way it came out. The only thing is, I do see some imperfections. So the next time I make it, because I'm definitely going to be making it again, I can see where I need to kind of fix some things. And I even thought about taking it a loose and then kind of redoing it to make it perfect. But then I was like, man, I don't want to waste supplies and stuff. But then, of course, I don't want an imperfect piece going to a client. So chances are I'm going to take it apart, the pendant part, or the whole necklace got to come apart, but the pendant more so. Um, and redo it and that center part and with the wire that I have, I just figured out a whole nother way I can do it now. And it always works like that. When you done did something for the first time, you can look at it and say, okay, now I know what I'm gonna do. So that's what I'm going to do. And I think it came out really nice. Really nice, really nice. And because I was finding my way through to try to make the pendant, I didn't turn on the video, to record. So I was like, that'll be a really long video for me to try to figure it out. And then, you guys will walk through the video with me. That would have been a really long video, like that 45-minute one. It turned all green and carrying on. But I think it turned out really nice. I like it, but I did want you guys to see it. And this is what it is. I think it's really, really nice. And I put it on, I have a black dress on, crew neck black dress. So I put it on and it just lays on the chest beautifully. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. And I'm thinking she'll like it. She really will. So that turned out really well. All right, just wanted you guys to see that. Again, thank you for being subscribers. Who asked me about painted beads? A lot of people keep asking me about painted beads, and I put the link in a couple of the other videos. If you go to the Jewelry by BDK Creators Zone Facebook page, you can go in there. Once you ask to join, I'll go ahead and accept you in. And the person that makes those beads is in the group. And you'll see it. You'll see all the posts and other ladies making, like wood, not wood, but waist beads and earrings, and we even got just all kind of stuff over there. We got Scott is over there making men necklaces, and it's a lot of good stuff up in there. So go over and take a peek. Even if you make jewelry, go in and post your pictures and let us see what they looking like, and all that good stuff. But anyway, Darlene Knight, Jewelry by BDK, I got to get up out of here. We'll talk soon. Bye bye.